Today I am going to show you how to use the Fiverr app. First you have to click the Fiverr app, and the Fiverr app is opened. We have a notification of upgraded Fiverr. Yes, there we have a notifications. Please verify your identify. So these are the first interface of the Fiverr app standards to maintain. We have the dashboard of the Fiverr app with the response rate, order completion, on time delivery, positive rating. Here we have a next level requirements and my earnings in the August, and the average selling price $9.31. And also we have the messages. If I have come messages here, 1 2 3 messages is showing, but now is 0 unread messages. And here is the most profile section, red articles. Here we have a 3 section about gigs and reviews, and here is the gigs. I have 7 gigs on my Fiverr app. And reviews section, scroll down and you have check your reviews. Come back and click on the messages icon. Here you have the messages. You can also make a message unread for the future remembering. It's the labels. You can check the on notch and follow. You can also make it favorites and click. This is the filter option. We have all, unread, read. It's all about in messages section. I have no notch messages, so it describes 0. That's my order section. How much I order completed and how much I cancelled the orders. The central icon of the Fiverr app is the order app, and here is the notification icon. Here we all have the notification come so far. And here is the most important section of the Fiverr section is the earning and the settings option. Here we have the buyer request. Everything here in this icon, you should have to click on it and you can go for the buyer request, go online. And here we have the option of the earnings to the total earnings of this month, and buyer request. This is the option for the buyer request. There is no buyer request. And offer templates. We have multiple offer templates, so can easily reach the client quickly. And that's my gigs. If you want to share your gigs on the different apps, you can click on this icon. You can easily share your gig. And here is the option of the boosted app. If you want to create an app for marketing video for your Fiverr, you can also download through this app and boosted marketing video. You can easily make video for the marketing. So let's go down and click on my profile. Here we have a 3 section about gigs reviews. This is the, if you want to go online for 24 hours, then click on this option. And this is the seller mode. You can also on off. and where we have the payments option. If you want to invite more friends to this app, you can easily go through the social media apps and invite your friends to the Fiverr app. Here you can make your post about the Fiverr app to the LinkedIn section. And here is the post I shared on my LinkedIn profile to invite more friends to the Fiverr app. So we move back to the Fiverr app. Here we have the help and education section. Here you can learn more about the Fiverr app.
चाचा आ गई ट्रैक्टर जमीन में वेस्ट